Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a review on an item that I ordered from a Labor Day sale. It is a laser hair removal. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay guys, so COVID shopping had me buying things I've seen on the internet and advertisements. So this is an ILP laser hair remover light. So it's an at-home laser hair removal. It's by LUX Skin Co. And the reason I chose this one is they were having a Labor Day sale. So it took about 3 weeks to get here. Comes in this box. Has some instructions. Here is the device. So pretty nice. I mean, I like the metallic detail and everything like that. Let's see. And then it comes with a power cord, and that's pretty much it. So I plug it in, plug this in. It'll has a button here on the back, so you turn it on, and then it'll light up, and it has 1 through 5 little lights here. So 1 being the weakest, 5 being the strongest. So you put it on the level you want. I have only tried it on level 3, and then you put it down. It has to be in complete contact with your skin, and then you push the button and boom, flash of light. And then you go over it. I think on the review it said 2 to 3 times you want to go over the area. Once a week for 12 weeks for optimal results. But yeah, that's the device. Now I'm going to go ahead and talk about it some more. Okay, so it's only week 1 of using this device, so I've only used it one time on my armpits. So I'm going to be doing these videos. I'll probably do a 4-week update, an 8-week update, and a 12-week update because you're supposed to use it for 12 weeks to get the best results possible, right? Now I realize that I am not a great candidate for this. It works best on people with very light skin, which I have, but with very dark hair. Yes, not a good candidate for it. I have naturally red hair, which means most of my body hair is actually blonde. My armpits are the only hair that happen to be like more of a dark brownish color. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll work on there. Now, I used to work at a laser hair removal spa. I worked there briefly because it wasn't a great job. You know, yeah, you don't want to do laser hair removal, trust me. So yeah, I did laser hair removal, so I know how it works and like the grid patterns and all that stuff. And icing is important. So when I'm using it, I'm actually getting a washcloth and putting it in the freezer. So after I laser hair my armpits, I'm putting the washcloth on them just for a couple seconds, just to cool down. I only used it on a 3, so just to test the waters, because it says between 3 and a 5 to get results. Like 1 and 2 aren't going to really do anything. They're for more like if you want to make sure like you're not going to be scared of the laser, you want to use 1 or 2. So I started on a 3, and I only had 1 spot on this armpit that kind of hurt. And I think it's because I got close to one of my tattoos, so I'm going to have to be really careful. These are no, do not use on your tattoos. That is definitely not something you want to do. Because it's attracted to the dark pigment, it could distort your tattoos. I'll keep you updated if anything happens on that little piece of my tattoo. But because it was such a low level, it should be fine. It doesn't hurt now and it looks normal. So yeah, that's how the laser works. It's attracted to the dark pigment in the hair, and then it's supposed to kind of obliterate the hair follicle. I have done laser hair removal on my armpits before. I've only done 2 rounds of it, and that's because when I was working there, we were allowed to practice on ourselves. And I do have some spots on my armpits that actually don't grow hair anymore, but you definitely need more than 2 treatments. So we're going to give this a go and see if I can get the rest of those hairs to vanish. So far, not painful on a 3. I'll update you at the 4-week mark if when I move up to a 4 or 5, if it's really painful on the armpits. But so far, not bad. Now, I am skeptical on how this works. So far, it seems pretty similar to the other laser hair removal device does like the light and everything like that. Also, it says like you can go without wearing glasses. I recommend at least putting some sunglasses on to protect your eyes, because yeah, the flash is super bright and you really don't know if it's going to cause any damage to your vision or not. I mean, this, who knows? Some of the devices actually do come with glasses that you should wear, but this one doesn't. So I got on sale, I think it was $59, something like that. There was also a coupon code, so they're really easy to find coupon codes for, like, I think I got 10% off, so that kind of helped pay for the shipping. It took about 3 weeks to get here, I would say, which is surprising because actually a lot of the reviews that I found in this said it took months to get to them, so I got really freaked out. I'm like, months? I don't know if I want to order this anymore. So I contacted the people and they're like, no, we'll ship it to you right away. So yeah, 3 weeks is not really too bad for something like this, I would say. So maybe at the 4-week mark, I might plug it in. It's really self-explanatory to use, guys, though. So you just plug it in, put it on the level you want. There's a little button on the back. Put it on your skin, press the button. You can actually hold the button down and do like a sliding motion, and it'll be all tick, 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 tick. And that's kind of what I did with my armpits. Just trying to create a grid pattern. So doing it on your own armpits is really hard, but if you were going to do it on your legs or something like that, you would just like pick a section like this and just go up all the way, down all the way, up all the way. So create a really nice grid pattern, and that's how you're going to get the best results and make sure you're not missing any hair. Now, as the weeks go on, you'll actually notice, you know, some hair is missing. Assuming this works, right? Assuming this works, you're going to notice patches of hair missing, and at that point, closer to the 8-week mark, you can start like just picking specific spots that you see the hair growing, and you only want to really laser those spots. So when I worked in laser hair removal, let me tell you guys, it really does work. I've seen people with like no hair on their legs after they've gotten laser hair removal with that company, but it really depends on your skin type and your hair type. Also, it can be very dangerous. Lots of people can get burns, things like that. Oh, baby. You okay? She's okay.
Broken.
It's broken?
Let's see.
What's broken? Good news, nothing was broken. She just says that when she wants me to fix, she's watching YouTube cartoons in there, and if a commercial comes on, she says it's broken and she wants me to fix it. So alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all those good things. At the 4-week mark, I'm going to take a picture of my armpits before and what they're looking like now. But for now, I mean, I only used it once. There's not going to be any results right now. But so far, the device looks good, and I hope it works. See you next time.